Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course on this part 154 Laravel 11 sense date format tutorial. And this is a 5 tutorials available Laravel 11 sense date format with model. Second is a Laravel 11 sense date format YMDSIS to DMY. Third is a Laravel 11 sense date format YMD to MDY. Fourth is a Laravel 11 sense date format MDY to YMD. And 5 is a last Laravel 11 sense date format YMD to DMY. And this is my official website errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this is available real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is my database name. Inside this is a list of table is available, and this my project is available gem folder. Inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's run this project. This directory inside cmd open means command prompt open this project directory inside. This is successfully open. Let's run PSP artisan server. PSP artisan server successfully. Please wait. This is a working fine. Let's URL is a copy. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working fine. This is a working fine this URL, and this is a latest version is available. Let's new route is a create means route inside this web.php available. Inside this is a admin, otherwise any control is less. Admin control is a copy, same name is a copy controller, and this is a already available route get inside this is a paste here this control class date format. This is a date format. Yes, this is a date format. Same name is a copy date format inside this date format. Same name is a copy and paste here inside this paste here and slash. Let's same name copy. This is a name is a copy and scroll down admin controller open admin controller. This is available admin controller. This is a user http controller and this is a admin app http controller, and this is a admin controller is available. Let's inside this public function and paste here, and this is a request $request, and this is a echo www.errorsolutioncode.com, and this is a die and save file. Let's successfully working fine. This is a controller inside. Let's same name copy and slash working fine. This is the working good. Let's remove, and this is a model. This is a user table. This user table is available. Click this user table. Inside this first record is a get. This user table is a by default Laravel table is a available, and this is a user model is available by default user model. Same name is a copy, and inside this is already included. This is a first is a implementation model via. Same name is a model via is a implementation. This first let's remove, and this is a first is a implementation. This is a implementation. Good. Let's change model. Same name is a copy and inside this is a dollar user is equal to paste first only first record, and this is a die. Dollar new date is equal to dollar user, and this is a table name field inside. This is available created date. This first record is available. First record inside this field is available created available. This is a paste here created, and this format is a set. Format means this is a DMY. This is a format DMY, and last is a close DD this is a dd, same name is a copy and paste here, successfully paste. Let's save file and refresh this page. This is a refresh this page, successfully available. 3 1 and 2 22 4, this is a available, this is a available, good working. This is a dynamic, this is available as it is, this is not a correct detail, this is a successfully sent. This date format is a working fine, this is a model via working fine. This is a first is a done, this is a first is a done. Let's second is the same name is a copy second, and this is a second, and this is a comment first is a done, second implementation, this is a second is a step by step implementation. This is a not a via only date format, this is a date format. Let's dollar date is equal to date y m d s I s, and this close this, and again this new date carbon, this is a carbon is a include. Let's carbon same name is a carbon is a include inside this use carbon, otherwise full support in carbon is a set, this not use. Let's full carbon, same name is a copy carbon inside this paste here second. This created from format insert set created format, and the same name is a copy, and this paste here inside this paste, and this is a copy, and this is a paste here dollar date, and this format, and this is a m d and y save file, and this dd dollar new date save file, successfully save file. Let's refresh this page, and this is a available, this is a today is a created date is a working fine. This is a date format is a successfully dmy, and this is a live date is a get, this is a today is a live date is a get. This is a successfully, this is a 19. Let's this is a implement d first, let's d, and this first and month is a next, and this is a save file, and this is a live date, all good. This is a different this is a different I am writing, this is a dmy, this is successfully set. Let's refresh this page, good working. The second example is a done, the second example is a done. Let's third example is a write down, this is third example, this is a done. Next is available, this is mdy, same name is a copy inside, this is a slash, and this comment, this is a third. This carbon is already included, this is already included. This is a dollar date is equal to 224 in this 4 month, and this is a date is a 15, and this close dollar new date is equal to this carbon is already included, this carbon date format, same name is a format, copy, and inside this paste here, and this is a ymd, and this is a close dollar date. This variable is same variable inside this inside, and this format, and this is a m d and y, successfully this is a set, all good. Let's refresh this page, and this is a close this, close, and refresh this page, successfully not a show. Let's this is a dmy, y not issue, this is a carbon dd, this is a dd is not a implement. Let's same name is a copy, this is a copy and paste here, and this is a save file. Let's write down, refresh this page. Successfully this is available. Good working. This correct date. Inside this let's change. This is a D, M and Y. Again 2y is a set, and this refresh this page. Successfully 2y is available. Again this remove and this single y. Good working. This is a fine. This is a date is a set. Inside this underscore is set. This is underscore 100% set. This is underscore, and this refresh this page. Successfully set. Good working. Please write down. Let's comment. This is a 3 number is a done. This is a done. Done. This fourth number available. This fourth number set, and this is a fourth number is a comment. This is a fourth number. Save file, and step by step fourth number is a set. This is a $date is equal to 03 this date and 25 in 2023, and this date and new date same name is a copy format and paste here, and this is a name is a MDY. This is a M means month, this is a day means date, and Y means year. All good. The same name is a copy, and this is a paste here. Let's format is a set. Format, this is a format is a set D, Y, M and D. Different way sense, and this is a DD. The same name is a copy and paste here. This is a paste here and die. Save file. Let's refresh this page. This is a good working. This is a date is a correct but different wise says. This is a date is a correct but different set YMD. This is a format is a set. This is a video is a this is part that done, and last is available. This is a last. Your mind is a lost of doubt is available. Please this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. We are here to help 24/7. I am always available. WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. And please channel my subscribe and follow this all social media link Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Last is the implementation. Same name is a copy, and this is a comment. This is a all comment, and this is a last is a implementation. This carbon is already included. This is a first of all $variable date is equal to 2024, and this is 3 and 25, otherwise 28. $new date is equal to carbon. This is the name is the implement format YMD $date. Format D/M/Y, and this DD. This is the same name is a copy, and this paste here and save file. Let's different all date is a set. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this is a different date is a implementation. This is a not a dynamic. Inside the same year same, this is a month. This month is a cut, and this paste here, and this date is a center, and this refresh this page. Different set. Good working. This is a different or format is available. Inside this underscore, the underscore is a show. This is a good. This underscore set. All successfully set. This is a different all format is a first format. This is a good. Second format is a set. Third, fourth, and the last is a 5. All format is available. This all format is done. This is all working fine. This is a lost update is a format, and this is the database by get, and this is the static all implementation. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.